Aaron from Aaron's Refrigeration, Sub-Zero specialist for New York, New Jersey area. Today we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall the Sub-Zero Pro handle and the stainless steel tubular handles. So I'll get you the tools and we'll get started. Okay, what we have here is a number 10 Allen key, hex head key. These are the standoffs that are mounted to the handles like so, and I'll show you how to put that on. There's a Phillips head screwdriver and a little Phillips head screw here, and just put that in there. I'm just going to show you how it goes on because it's just the opposite of taking it off. So you line that up, you screw that in there like so, give it a nice tight twist. And then we'll put the other one on. Line up the hole. Tighten it up. Okay, now the set screws are already inside. I'll take them out to show you what they look like. There it is. That's a set screw. And the Allen key goes in there, and that's how you turn it. Let me show you what this looks like. Now here is the little set screw, and it's called set screw, a 10 by 32 by 1/4 inch stainless steel cone shape. That's that little, you can see the cone shape of the set screw because that's what locks the handle onto the mounting stud. The mounting stud here, number 20, is handle mounting stud, and then you have the standoff, which is this right here. It could be either oval or round. It's the same thing. It's number 21 on the microfiche. Sorry, that's number 18. So number 18 here is, that's the bolt that screws the standoff, and then the standoff is right up here, number 18. Standoff, stainless steel, oval shaped. Okay, so those are the parts that make up the handle assembly other than the handle itself. So right now let's put it back together and put it back on the refrigerator so I can show you how to do that. Now in most cases your set screws are going to be inside the standoffs, but sometimes they could fall out and you can lose them, in which case you have to buy new ones. So this goes in here like this. Okay, we have this one in here. Okay, so now I'm going to take the handle, and to remind you at this point that you see these holes where the set screws go in on this vertical handle, you always want to make sure that they're on the bottom. Okay, on the flat, on the freezer side, on a freezer drawer, you're going to have the holes underneath on the bottom. So let's get our little tool here, and we'll come over and put this handle on. You set it over the stud like this. You see that little groove in there? That's where the set screw locks into place. So you put that in there, you put the bottom in, and then you take your number 10 hex head key. Okay. I'm going to have to tighten this up again with a smaller. This doesn't go in deep enough. Okay, so that's tight, it's on, but just to be safe, I'm going to take my hex head key here, and you have to be careful with this because, and I apologize for the view, I'm wearing a pair of video glasses because I need to work with both hands, but you'll get the gist. It's a little tedious to get it in there. Okay, so you want to be careful not to scratch the door. Okay, I'm going to do one more. Make sure it's nice and tight. Sometimes it can be tough to get in. Okay, so there it is. Got it in. Tighten it up. Same thing with the bottom. It takes a little bit to seat because it's a really small opening down here. You have to play with it. There it goes. Okay, that is on. So that's how you remove. To remove it, you just do the reverse. You loosen up the set screws, you pull the handle off, or if you have a situation where your handle is just loose, get yourself a number 10 hex head key, stick it up inside there, turn it clockwise, and that will tighten up your handle. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.